Yay, Midwest Picker here. Got my Don't Talk to Strangers t-shirt on. So I went thrifting today. It's a beautiful Saturday. I think it's July 31st. I'm not sure. Short video. I didn't record video inside the stores, but I went to a Restore, a Salvation Army, my Secret Honey Hole thrift store. Kind of like an, how do you say that? Eclectic, vintagey antique store that's kind of like just getting off the ground, but you know, every time they have a mid-century modern kitchen chair, they want $400 for it. So it's for collectors and people like that. You definitely can't flip anything out of there. So I just walked in and walked out, checked it out. And then in the back is a record store, so it's like a combination store. Anyway, you don't care about that. So I just left the Salvation Army. I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm going to show you why I did not buy certain items. Because if you're new to reselling, the biggest frustration is, what do I buy? Because I don't know what sells. I don't want to compete with a million other people. I don't want to waste my money. I don't want to waste my resources and time. I don't want to waste my storage space. So let's talk about what I got, and I'm going to talk about why I did not buy a certain item. All right, I got the camera turned around. This is my score. Right here, new in the package. These are aquarium filter cartridges. If you're not familiar with freshwater aquariums, they have power filters, under gravel filters, corner filters, all kinds of filters. These were 66 cents a piece. Comps aren't bad. It's not a home run, but you know, I don't know. I can bundle. I got 6 of these, and I'll probably bundle 3, lots of 3. They're not very heavy. I could probably get 3 in a 6x4x4 box, still make it first class. Probably $15 to $17 for a lot of 3 of these, so not bad. Return on investment's huge. It's a kind of a long tail item, but because it's brand new, that's why I got them. It was 3 for $1.99. You can see that. The other thing I got here was really cool, a piece of Fenton glass. Now this is Fenton Carnival glass. I did look up comps on this, pretty good. There's no damage anywhere. It's kind of a decorative plate. It says Lafayette with Washington at Valley Forge. Just because it's carnival glass or looks like it doesn't necessarily mean it's super old. But I did look on the back, and yes, it is a Fenton. And I looked up comps. I don't remember what they are. Maybe I'll put it up in the corner of the screen. But I did pay up. It was $6. But I love Fenton glass. I don't really care about Lafayette or Washington, but somebody does, and so I got that. I was hoping it'd be on sale. Green tags were on sale today, so that was not a sale. So that was at Salvation Army. And then at my local Restore, probably should pause the video. So I got these pure water filters. Brand new, of course. You're not going to sell used ones. That's disgusting. These are brand new. The box is a little beat up, but I did peek inside, and they're all sealed. It was $2 for this big box. It's kind of heavy. It's going to have to go priority mail. Buyer will pay shipping. No big deal. Again, I don't really know what the comps were. They were like $12, $15, $18. They're all over the place. You have to be careful when you comp stuff. Just because somebody sold this for $4 doesn't mean it's worth $4. Maybe they priced it too low. Maybe it was an auction and they started the auction too low. But you have to kind of look at the big picture. So, and you can price it whatever you want. If the highest comp is $12, so what? Put it out for $15 or $17. You can sell it for whatever you want. So that's a nice item. Kind of long tail, but we'll see. The next were these gloves. So this is your little reseller lesson. So brand new in the package. Hey, Hex Armor, brand new gloves. Pretty cool. I use these all the time working around the house, working outside, so I don't damage my candy hands. There's one upside and one downside. The upside is obvious. These are brand new in the package. Pretty awesome. The other upside is they're only 50 cents. That's right. You heard that right. 50 cents. They had an unopened case. They had a open box, 2 open boxes. So you're probably thinking, Dave, how many did you get of these awesome work gloves that were only 50 cents a piece that comp out anywhere from $9 to $15 each? They had an unopened box of 100, and then they had open boxes with like 20 in one and 30 in the other. How many did Midwest Picker buy? This is a nice replenishable. They will sell eventually. It's a great brand. And there are solds on eBay. I don't know, 12, 15 solds in the last 60 days, I guess. So I got 4. What? Are you crazy? You only got 4? Well, let me tell you. All they had, all of them were size extra small. Probably why they were donated to the Restore, because whoever had these, whatever retail brick and mortar business, they couldn't sell them, so they just donated them all to the Restore. Now that's not terrible, but that is a big con. That's a big downer. Large and extra large, if anything, especially gloves, will sell like crazy. Extra small is probably the worst sell-through rate when it comes to sizes. You got extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. You might even have double X large. I don't know. But I'm going to test the waters, and I just bought 4. Now, if these sell like crazy and fly off the shelf, you could always go back and buy the rest. My guess is they're going to be very slow sellers, even though it's a huge return on investment. 50 cents into $15 or $17 or $19. That's awesome. The FOMO kicks in hard, and the temptation is to grab all 3 boxes and fill your grocery cart and buy them all and list one and say, 180 available. You got to slow down and think, okay, these are extra small. They're not going to sell that fast, guys. So don't go crazy. I've done it before and I've gotten burned. So large or extra large, I would have bought them all. Extra small, no. I'm going to experiment with just 4 packs. It only cost me $2. Could make a ton of money. Like I said, if they sell like crazy, I'll go back and get the rest. But I know they're not going to sell like crazy. So that's the short video, guys. That's my haul. I'm still not selling yet. So we're looking at closing on the new house around August 10. So that means mid to late October. We can't move in yet. So I'm still sourcing. I still got room for these tiny little things. No big deal. So that's the video, guys. What do you think about those gloves? What would you have done? Put it down in the comment section. Would you have bought them all? And hey, if they take 3 years to sell, who cares? I mean, they're only 50 cents a pair, right? Or would you say, no, I don't have the storage space. I don't want to wait 3 years to get my money back. You did the right thing. You only bought a sample. What would you have done? If you like the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I promise I'm going to make more videos as soon as I get rolling with the reselling, get the new eBay office up and rolling. Man, I can't believe what a nice day. It's like 74 degrees, perfect weather. That's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for supporting my channel, and we'll see you next time.